Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody? I hope all is well with you. Before we get started, do me a favor, go ahead and click the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Alright, I'm back. I want to show you guys a strategy this time. Another marketing strategy you can use to help you promote the 10X income system. The 10X income system is an all-in-one done-for-you business with a 3-step method. Okay, what sets this one apart for this reseller program, because basically what you're doing is reselling the whole system, and you're able to make $297 commissions. Okay, what they're doing different than any program that's out on the market right now is they're providing the marketing for you. They're providing the setup for you, where you don't have to set up anything. You don't have to do the marketing. They're going to be using Google and Bing ads and a lot more other advertising methods, but it's not solo ads. Okay, so that's included in your back office. You'll be able to get the traffic. You're going to pay for the system. It's $297. You're going to pay $19.95 a month for your website, which is the page that I'm on right now that does all the selling and telling for you. This 9-minute video. Okay, and then you just buy your traffic, and you can buy multiple traffic packages up to the sum of 100,000 clicks for 60 days, up to 60 days. All right, so that's it, 3 steps, and you're all set. It does take patience to set this stuff up, so you're gonna have to be patient if you decide this is what you want to do. They just got this thing started, maybe 5-6 weeks ago. So there's not a staff that's on standby just setting up systems instantly. It's going to take maybe 7 to 14 days to get your system up and running. Okay, so do not sign up if you're in a hurry. Okay, because there's nothing I'm going to be able to do to help speed that process up for you, or anybody for that matter. You're going to have to wait it out. So if you're in a hurry to get an instant system, the traditional way that we get them, when we sign up for things and then you get an email instantly that here's your login, that's not going to happen here. So it could take 14 days to get everything. All right, so with that being said, go and get your system. Go to www.besteasyworkincome.com. I've also created a postcard for this, so for everybody that's interested in that, I'll show it to you real quick before we leave. Once you join me, if you want that, I'll give that to you exclusively for my team. All right, so I got a software I want to show you that you can use to help promote the 10X income system. All right, so hang on. All right, this is another texting platform, texting Press One technology platform, if you will. Here's my number. You can do a test on it, 678-928-7745. Right now, when you call it, I'm actually promoting this particular program a la carte, all by itself, because I have TextBot AI that I'm using at the moment to help me with the texting portion to promote 10X income system. But I want to show you this other platform that you can use. All right, so Press One Mobile. I haven't talked about it in a while because I had a lot of other projects that I was working on, and actually I didn't realize the number that I initially had. If you don't use it, okay, so you must either call the number itself once or twice every month, or you need to be promoting that number, because if the system sees there's no activity, it will delete your number. It will purge it out of the system. So I actually had to get a new number. So I've had this software I think since 2018. So I've had it for a while. So I got me a new number. Call it, check it out, and it's going to take you to a capture page that I have set up for this Press One mobile system. But this system, I like it. Also, of course, it's different than TextBot, but I'm going to show you some differences. So this is the website you're going to get. We all get this website. As you can see, lots of colors, pretty cool. This little 2-minute video will explain how it all works. As it states here, you choose the area code you want, and the system will randomly assign you a phone number. It doesn't have a capture page. You only get this website, okay? But I'll tell you how to get a capture page system. If you're interested, you can use the Conversion Pros or this other system that I have, but I'll put the link below for all that. You can go check it out. It pays $200 for everybody that purchases this system from your link, the reseller program. Okay, it has the one-up comp plans. Your first sale will pass up. After that, you keep all your $200 commissions, and you get paid any way you want. Okay, Venmo, PayPal, any of those. You just list it in the back office. And this system is automatically set up. Okay, it's automatically set up once you get your once you make the payment. The voicemail, all that is already attached. So all you would need to do is plug in your payment method, how you want to get paid, and if you want to change your link out to another link. That's it. All right, so you're going to be able to track all the phone numbers that call your number. I love that about it. It comes with 100 credits. There's no monthly fees. It's a one-time $297. Okay, they tell you right here what you get. You get your own phone number. You get 100 credits. It's included with this. You get the website. You get the back office. There's some training back there. You have the one-up comp plan. You have the resale rights for life to sell this program over and over and over and make $200 over and over and over. Okay? So, very simple. That's pretty much it. Now, I want to show you that back office real quick so you can see what I'm talking about and one of the benefits that the other program doesn't have. That's the only thing we're missing over there. But let me show you that right here. See, $297 one time, no monthly fee. So let me take you to my back office of this one. All right, hang on a second. Okay, so we're in the back office. You can see here's the phone number the system assigned me, and here's the replicated link. Right here is where you would change. Okay, the replicated site to promote press 1, you would change it to your 10x income system. Right here, just change it there and click update. And then in this box where it says payment instructions, you would just put that information in here. There's a video right here in the training that'll show you how to do it. Very simple. Now, I'm going to show you, and I'm going to cover up these folks' phone numbers, but every phone number that calls your number is going to be in this back office, and you can download it. That's the one that we're missing over in the TextBot system. I can download them over here. So let me show you this. Now, for privacy protection, I'm covering up everybody's phone number, okay? But you can see right here, all the calls I'm just scrolling through. Let's see, when did it start? I started kind of getting back in the swing of promoting it. See right here, the dates? All these dates are people actually calling my number. Okay, this Press 1 mobile number. Okay, because I have this special ad that I've got out there. But right here, see this writing in blue, it says download CSV file. I can hit that button and all those numbers will go into a CSV file, and then I can take them to another platform. Either I can text them, text message broadcasting, or I can take those numbers and load them into my ringless voicemail platform. Okay, and that's powerful because people will get a voicemail on their phone. We all know everybody carries around a smartphone. It's going to show a notification that they missed a voicemail. A call came in. Okay, and then what they're going to do is either try to call it back, or they're just going to press their voicemail button and listen to it. And then we have a voicemail that we will drop to all those mobile numbers, guys. Okay, with a click of a button. Okay, in 60 seconds, you can drop thousands. Okay, voicemail to thousands of mobile phone numbers. So you collect them over here in the Press 1 mobile system, and you can load them over to the ringless. And I'll show you that website page. And then below, all the people that have signed up, right here, they created an account. Right here, it's going to list all that, and I'll have their email as well. Okay, so it's pretty cool. Now, on this page, also, it tells you how many credits you have remaining. Remember, I said you get 100 out the gate with the system. It comes with 100 credits. So it takes 1 credit when people call the number, and it takes another credit when they press 1. So 2 credits pretty much per transaction, so to speak. But look how cheap it is. Even if you went back here and bought 1,000 credits, it's only going to cost you $10. And remember, there's no monthly fees with this. Okay, you pay your $297. It comes with 100 credits. If you want more, you just come back here, click this button, and they're loaded instantly. Okay, and you just order these as needed. All right, so if you're going to run an ad and you're going to be really crushing it, promoting your phone number, go back here and order you an extra, pay $10 and get an extra 1,000 credits. Okay, but you're going to always know what the balance is. Just come in the back office and check it out. Now let me just show you where the training is real quick. Let's do this. Okay, so you can click training right here. And as you can see right here, payment instructions, it's going to show you right here. It's 43 seconds. Just go here and show you how to just write it out, type it out. Pay $200, give them your PayPal, or pay $200, give them whatever way you want to receive that $200 commissions. Okay, but this little video will tell you. It's real simple. Some training here as well. And then also, if you go under resources, they list some other ways that you can promote this thing. It's pretty cool. Postcard marketing, they give you some info here. They even tell you about placing ads, even Craigslist. And right here, if you click this button, it says click here for sample ads. There's a lot of good ads back here that you can use on Craigslist, but not even Craigslist, other places. And I have about 8 places that I've put together, a new list that you can use, and I'm doing it myself, to place ads and promote your phone number. All right. Now, right here, this other page that I'm using, because the one I showed you is the one the company gives you, but there's another system that has both of these videos that explains the program very well, and then it allows you to tie in your ringless voicemail link. So if people go to this page and listen to this webinar, it talks about ringless voicemail, and if someone says, hey, well, yeah, I think I may be interested in it, click this button. If you're already in ringless, ALN, you can tie it into that system. And then there's a video that's going to explain that. And then there's more commissions to be made over here. Okay, so all this ties together just from that one number that you're going to be promoting. So, text message marketing. They're going to dial the phone number. They're going to listen to the message. They're going to press 1. It's going to automatically text them whatever link you want people to see. Okay, you cannot beat that. All right, $297 one time. Your 100 credits is already included. Tie this in to your 10x income system, and the potential is just crazy, because you'll make $200 here, and then you're making $297 with 10x income system, guys. Because believe me, people are going to ask, well, hey, I want to know how do I get this other thing that you got going on with the texting? And this is what you're going to give them. You're going to give them your link, because you get a link and you get a phone number. All right, and then they sign up, and boom, commissions. All right, let me show you the postcard real quick. All right, this is 10x income system postcard that I have. Got the website on it. BestEasyWorkIncome.com is on mine. You can put your picture on it, or you don't have to put a picture on it. And this right here, I'm doing this offline. So see, I've got the online covered and I've got the offline, because believe me, there's thousands of people that's still not going to know about the 10x income system, even though with the Google ads, right? That's for the people that's online searching for how to make money online. But what about the people at home that's really not into social media, and they're just checking the mail? And these, of course, we're targeted. We have a targeted list of people that we're promoting to offline. These are people that's interested in home-based businesses that have purchased into what we're into, the make money online space. So these just aren't random people. Okay, so then you're going to be promoting to those people offline. Okay, so this will have it covered. It drives them to your website for 10x, and then they go take a look at it. If they're interested, they'll sign up. All right, so get with me. Once you join me in 10x income system, go to BestEasyWorkIncome.com. Get started. I look forward to working with you guys. And then check this system out. The texting. Call 678-928-7745. With that being said, thank you so much for checking out the video. If you have any questions, give me a call. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Okay? Till next time, guys, you guys be safe out there. I'll see you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.